welcome back to my channel. If you've never been here before, welcome to my channel. So today is going to be another Modesty Monday video. It's been about a year or so since I've made a modesty video, Modest Monday video, and I love doing it. So I'm glad to be back doing this. So every Monday I'll be showing you guys, telling you guys different modesty topics, telling you guys how to wrap head wraps and hijabs and a whole bunch of other different stuff like that. So stay tuned. I have quite a few upcoming video ideas. So today I am going to be showing you guys how to tie a head wrap, like a turban style head wrap, using leggings. I picked these up from my local thrift store a couple weeks ago. But they didn't really fit, so I know I'll get into them probably next couple weeks because I am still currently losing weight. But that's a different topic. So I picked these up at the thrift store. I actually saw this video on Facebook a couple weeks ago, and I thought it was really neat way to incorporate leggings if you don't think that leggings are modest. But I think they can be in a certain way. But what better way to use leggings? There's a lot of fun patterns and everything else like that. And if you don't have any access to scarves, you can always find leggings. So anyway, let's get started. Okay, so you want to take the leggings, the waistband, and just slip it over your head like this. And then with the excess, whoa. And then with the excess, you just kind of want to tie it a little bit. Just kind of tie it like a little bit of like. What I did is explain it here. I took the end, just kind of wrapped it like this, and kind of twisted it until it's tight enough, because if not, it will slip all over the place. So that won't be shown. And then after you twisted it like that, you tuck it in the back. It's kind of like that. It's a little pretty good if you do have a bun or something in the back, but I don't currently, so you just kind of work with what you have. So I'm going to be wrapping this now. I'm just going to be doing a basic wrap. So put this one over and tighten it up, and go underneath of this one. Tighten up a little more, and then tuck it into itself. If that makes any sense. Kind of like this, and then do the same thing with this end. And you'll have to keep adjusting it until you can get all the lumps and stuff out of it, of course, you know. And there you go. How easy that was. That didn't take that long. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe. And also, if you have any questions or comments or any tips or anything else like that, please post them below the video. And I'll see you guys Wednesday.